guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope so you are fine and I am fine also. Today our topic is constitutional law of and about USA. Constitutional law serves as a bedrock upon which modern societies are built, shaping the governance structure and the safeguarding the fundamental rights of the citizen with its roots dating back to the ancient civilizations and constitutional law has evolved over centuries adopting to changing political landscapes and the society's values. In the article, we will delve into the essence of a constitutional law, its historical origin, key principles, and its vital role in the maintaining democratic societies' historical origins from the antiquity to the modernity. The concept of the written laws or the regulations can be traced about the civilizations like Mesopotamia and Egypt. These early societies recognized the need of the governing framework to ensure order and the just. However, it has been established of the Magna Carta in 1251. Pivotal moments in the evolution, constitutional principles, the historical documents establishing the idea that even rulers were subject to the law and that required their consent before being taxed. Enshrining fundamental principles, constitutional law lay down to the government fundamental principles that govern the nation's structure and operations. These principles often include the separation of power, the rule of law, and the protection of individual rights. Individual rights, separations of a power ensure a system of a check and a balance among the executive, legislative, and the judicial branches of a government. This prevents the conception of a person in the single entity and promotes accountability. Guardian the fallibility, protection of the individual rights. One of the most crucial aspects of the constitutional law is the protection of individual rights. Modern democracies prioritize safeguarding citizen rights to the freedom of search, speech, religion, assemblies, and more. These rights are enshrined in constitutional documents such as the First Amendment of the United States Constitutional or the European Conventions or human rights. Constitutional courts often play a private role in interpreting and upholding these rights, ensuring that they remain inviolable, even in the face of a changed social norms. Constitutional laws that interpreting and upholding the laws, constitutional courts hold a unique positions in the legal landscape. The courts are entrusted with the responsibilities of the interpreting and the constitution, settling disputes between branches of a government and safeguarding individual right. Landmarks causes often become a pivotal moments in a national legal history for insurance. The Brown versus Board of Education case in the United States, adopting to change constitutional amendments. As the societies involved through their constitutional amendment provide the mechanism for adoption, the fundamental law to renew reality and the challenges. However, amending a constitution is a deliberative process, often requiring board consent to ensure that the core principles of governance and rights remain intact. Global preservation of the constitutional laws. Constitutional laws vary across national and reflecting culture, historical, and political difference. For instance, parliamentary systems like those in the United Kingdom emphasize the supremacy of a parliament, while presidential presidential system like that to the of the United States highlight the role of the executive branch. Challenge and the further prospects. While a constitutional law is designed to provide a stable uh, framework governance, it is not without its challenge political polarization, technological advancement, technological advancement, and the global cause crisis pose for a new question that constitutional systems must address. Issues such as the online privacy, climate changing, and the balance between security and the civil liberties requires innovation interpretation of existing constitutional principles. In constitutional principles, constitutional laws stand up as a testament of the humanity and waiter to create just and accountability and democratic societies rooted in the historical struggles of right and representation. It continues to envelop rooted in the historical struggle. It continues to evolve to meet the need of a contemporary society as we navigate an ever-changing world. The principle upheld by the constitutional laws remain crucial in preserving the core values and the underpin our modern democracies. This is our today. Our topic is constitutional law. I hope you will understand, and inshallah we will meet in our next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Bye bye. Take care.